Hi, my name is Joe Stabile. I'm the Dean of the School of Arts and Science at Iona University in New Rochelle, New York. And we're going to talk to you today about our esports, our drone program, and how we're integrating those activities into our academic programs. We have some of the latest technology here using HADO, which is a virtual reality dodgeball esports program where students are playing dodgeball in an esports environment, not only against students here at our university, but students all over the world.
HADO is a virtual experience kind of dodgeball, and it's a little dizzy at first. Once you get used to it, it's fun because you're in virtual reality. If anyone's ever done that, you understand how fun it could be with whatever games you play.
We're partnering with a number of different organizations in terms of promoting not our esports and our drone program. And what's great about Vivid Imagination is that students working with Vivid as high school students can then come here to learn more and to do a lot more at a college level, and then hopefully come here and then major in different areas where they can actually further their interest and their passion in esports and in drones.
My name is Gregory Kasiri. I'm the executive resident here at Iona, also being the esports and drone coordinator. My job really is to bring a new kind of gaming and a new kind of drone flight here. One where gaming is not just basically sitting at a computer, but you're actually doing more physical activities.
A lot of our young people have grown up with esports, and the latest development is now taking the esports, but now adding a physical component to it, physical activity, because again, health-wise, it's important for all of us to get away from a sedentary lifestyle.
They only have one field left. You guys still have plenty.
The experience was fascinating. It was interesting. It helps my mind develop patterns and strategic events and just plan ahead for the future.
It's a great way for students to get involved in STEM activities in science and engineering and computer sciences. And so from a number of levels, right, you take that interest that students have as they're growing up, and then you integrate it into the academics, and then they're able to take that passion that they have and develop it into an academic program, but also into careers as well.
The other one is for drones, is where you not just get your Part 107 drone license, you're actually getting training in our public safety courses, you're getting training in our digital media, and we're even helping you get a job. A lot of drone companies out there really want to hire college-educated students, especially to do everything from home inspection to home safety to even mapping out and doing grid coordinates of new construction. And here at Iona, we actually help you get those jobs. Vivid Imagination is, to me, a forward-thinking company that allows kids to get an interest in STEM and STEAM, technology, AI, and I believe that with Vivid Imagination, they will help with a pathway program for their students to then come to Iona where they can increase their skills. One of the things I love about Vivid Imagination is they think outside the box here like we do at Iona.
It's kind of exciting, you know, you want to move around, you want to play, but you know, just doing this right here together, it's complicated when you have everyone running around, but it's fun once you get used to it.
We're the only school on the entire eastern seaboard of a college that does HADO.